Welcome to Nest. We're going to show you how to set up and install the Nest Cam IQ outdoor security camera. There are a few simple steps. First, set it up indoors with the Nest app. Next, find a good location for your camera outside. Then install it. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. You'll also need some simple tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a power drill, caulk to seal holes, and some drill bits. If you're drilling into brick or stone, you'll need masonry drill bits. You may also need a ladder. For setup with the Nest app, you'll need a phone or tablet with Bluetooth 4.0, running iOS 8, or Android 4 or later. To stream Nest Cam video, you should have a Wi-Fi network with a broadband internet connection and at least 2 megabits of upload speed. Start by turning on your camera inside your home to get it set up before you take it outside. Plug the end of the power cable with the gray ring into the base of your Nest Cam IQ. It will click into place. Then connect the power adapter and plug it into an outlet that's close to your Wi-Fi router. Your camera will turn on and its light ring will turn blue. Now you'll use the app to connect your Nest Cam IQ to Wi-Fi. If you're new to Nest, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play to download the Nest app. Launch the app to create an account. Once you're signed into your Nest account, tap the plus sign to add your Nest Cam IQ. If you're already using the Nest app, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Add Product. The app will then guide you through a few simple steps. First, you'll scan the camera's QR code. If you're having trouble scanning the code, make sure you have good lighting and that you're not casting a shadow. Start with your phone about a foot away and move it slowly closer to the code. It doesn't need to fill the box in the app to scan. Next, you'll give your camera a location name. The app will use this name when it sends you notifications from your camera, so pick one that makes sense to you. Now you'll connect your camera to Wi-Fi. If you already have a Nest product in your home, your Nest Cam IQ may try to use it to connect to the network. If your camera can't automatically connect to Wi-Fi, the app will ask you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you see an error message or need more help connecting your camera, visit nest.com/pair. Now let's plan your installation. You probably have a good idea of where you want to install your Nest Cam IQ already. Here are some things to consider. Install your camera where it can look over a large area of your property and where the power cable can reach an indoor outlet. Placing a camera near the front, back, or side door is a popular choice, but you can also put your Nest Cam IQ where it can see the front yard, driveway, backyard, garage, or patio. Nest Cam IQ's 12 times digital zoom lets you focus on a key area, while the 4K sensor maintains detail. This lets you get the view exactly how you want it. You'll want to install your camera just above head height in the location that you've chosen. 7 to 10 feet above the ground is high enough to let you see people's faces, but close enough so you can talk to them with the camera's speaker and microphone. Now that you've picked a spot for your Nest Cam IQ, you should also consider how you'll run the power cable to the inside of your home. Here's a preview of the 3 ways. You can put the power cable through an existing opening, like an attic vent. But if you don't have an existing opening, you'll need to drill a hole. You can install your camera over the cable hole. This will conceal the power cable on the outside of your home, but the cable will be exposed inside as you run it to a power outlet. Or you can run the cable from your camera to a hole that's closer to an indoor outlet. This approach can reduce the amount of cable that's visible inside your home. If you don't feel comfortable drilling through your home's exterior wall, you can contact a Nest Pro installer in your area. They'll set up and install your camera and answer any questions you have. Nest Cam IQ is weatherproof, but raindrops or snowflakes might stick to the lens and affect the video. Sun shining directly into the lens can also affect the video. If your home has eaves or a place that will provide shelter from the weather, see if that will work for the camera location. Once you've found a good spot for your Nest Cam, you'll test that it can stream video before you mount it. Take your camera outside and plug it into a convenient power outlet. Hold it up where you'd like to mount it. If it's not streaming, try moving the camera a bit. Sometimes even a few inches can make a big difference and improve the Wi-Fi connection. If this doesn't help, look for an alternate place to install your camera and check the video stream again. Nest Cam IQ is designed to be plugged into an indoor power outlet. So you need to plan the cable path and measure to make sure the cable can reach an outlet inside your home. If Nest Cam's power cable isn't long enough to reach an outlet after you've run it through the wall, you can use an extension cord. You can disconnect your camera from the cable to make measuring easier. Just slide the latch to release it. Route the power cable through an existing opening if you have one, or drill a hole to pass the cable through. Use a 1/2-inch drill bit for the cable hole. If you're drilling into brick or stone, use a masonry bit. Keep in mind that you'll need to know where any in-wall plumbing and electric wiring are. And check the building codes where you live to make sure your installation is safe. Now you'll install the wall plate. To mount the wall plate, use a 3/32 bit to drill pilot holes. For homes made of hard materials like brick or stucco, you may need the included anchors to hold the screws. Use a 7/32 masonry bit for the anchors. Slide the cable through the wall plate. Spread caulk on the wall plate before installing to seal it. Leave a space at the bottom for rainwater to drain out. And then mount it on the wall with the included screws. If you need to run the cable along the wall before it goes inside, install the wall plate so the cable notch points where the cable will go. Plug the end of the power cable that has the gray rubber ring into the base of your camera. It will click into place. Then push the camera base onto the wall plate. The wall plate locks to help keep your camera secure. You'll need to use the included hex key if you ever want to disconnect your Nest Cam IQ. Nest Cam IQ has a fully articulating hinge, so you can point it in any direction. Use the app to zoom and enhance the view so you can get the view exactly how you want it. If you need to route the cable along the outside of your home, secure the cable with the included cable clips. For a clean-looking installation, try to run the cable along a ledge or corner, and properly seal the cable hole if it's exposed. You can also paint the cable and the clips to match your home. Do not paint the camera. Dust off the camera lens with a soft cloth to make sure it's clean. That's it. To learn more about your Nest Cam IQ and how to use it, visit our support website.